everyone, welcome back to my another video. It's me Priscilla Benjamin. Today I'll be sharing a delicious honey chicken recipe. So let's get started.
Here I have taken 250 gram boneless chicken. For marinating, add 1 teaspoon garlic ginger paste, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 egg, corn flour and mix it well. Rest it for 15 minutes. In a kadai, add oil. Once it heats up, add chicken pieces and fry it on both sides till the pieces become light golden brown in color. Now all the chicken are fried. Let us keep it aside. In a bowl, add tomato ketchup, soya sauce, honey, and little water. Combine well and keep it aside. Next, in a pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. Once it heats up, add 2 chopped garlic and saute well. Add sauce mixture and mix it. Let it boil for about 3 minutes. Add salt if needed. Now add fried chicken and combine well. Make sure the chicken are coated very well in sauce. Garnish with sesame seeds. There you go. Delicious honey chicken is ready to serve. Try this recipe and let me know your comments in the comment box below. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. See you soon with another video. Until then, take care and bye.